When the standard Porsche 911 GT3 RS does not quite meet your expectations, Manthey Racing offers a solution. This Porsche-owned Nürburgring-based racing company specializes in handling kits designed to push Porsche Motorsport road cars to the next level. Its latest upgrade package for the new 911 GT3 RS represents its most aggressive effort yet. However, such high-performance enhancements come with a significant price tag. Porsche recently announced that the Manthey Racing kit for the GT3 RS will be available in the United States at a cost of $116,160. This price does not include installation or taxes. Considering the base price of a GT3 RS starts at $244,995, adding the Manthey kit is a substantial investment. Moreover, acquiring a GT3 RS at anything close to its manufacturer's suggested retail price is a challenge in itself. For those willing to splurge, the package brings a host of upgrades. The rear wing is enhanced with larger end plates while maintaining the drag reduction system functionality. A carbon fiber panel replaces the rear glass, featuring a large fin that channels hot air from the radiator, ensuring cooler air intake for the engine. Additional roof fins, an enlarged front splitter, dive planes, and a rear diffuser with larger strakes all contribute to a 20% increase in downforce. Porsche claims that these aerodynamic upgrades result in a maximum of 2,200 pounds of downforce at 177 miles per hour without sacrificing drag efficiency. The suspension receives significant attention as well. Manthey installs new coilovers with stiffer spring rates and adaptive dampers for faster response to damping forces. These components integrate seamlessly with the GT3 RS steering wheel adjustments, allowing drivers to fine-tune handling. Enhanced braided steel brake lines improve pedal feedback, while optional carbon fiber aero discs for the rear wheels and a customizable Manthey-branded towing eye add finishing touches. Although a Nürburgring lap time with the Manthey kit has not yet been published, it is expected to outpace the standard GT3 RS impressive 6-minute 49-second lap. Manthey is also offering a similar handling kit for the older 991 GT2 RS. Priced at $113,140, the kit delivers aerodynamic and suspension improvements. While its downforce does not rival that of the GT3 RS, its 700 horsepower ensures blistering straight-line performance. For enthusiasts seeking ultimate precision, these kits provide a tempting proposition.